Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your stock quantities in the ZonWizard inventory section. This is a vital step because once you've completed the initial setup, the system takes over the heavy lifting. It will automatically subtract units as orders shipped to customers or Amazon FBA and add them back in when your new supplier stock arrives, keeping the inventory always up to date. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to Inventory and then select Bulk Upload. This is where you can use Excel files to update your data in batches. Open the tab dedicated to inventory quantities. You'll see three different templates. The Inventory template, which is a blank slate with just the headers. The to-be-configured inventory template, this one is perfect for today, as it includes all products that don't have quantities assigned yet. And the current inventory template, which shows what's already in the system. For your first upload, go ahead and select the to-be-configured template. Download the file and open it in Excel. The sheet is straightforward. Each row has two main columns. First, the product column, which identifies the item using either the SKU or the ASIN. Second, the quantity column, where you'll enter the total number of units currently in your warehouse. Once you've filled in your numbers, save the file. Back in ZonWizard, click Choose File and then Upload. The system will import your data and update the quantities. If you only have a few changes to make, you might prefer the manual route. Just head to Inventory, then Overview. Here, you'll see a full list of your products. You can quickly find the specific item you want to edit by using the filters or the search bar at the top. Once you've found it, look for the internal inventory column. Simply click inside the field to update the quantity manually. The update happens immediately and will be reflected across the entire system, affecting both your reorder suggestions and your forecasting calculations. As a rule of thumb, use the bulk upload when you're managing your entire catalog at once, and use the overview page for quick, individual adjustments. And that's it. Your inventory is now synced and ready to go. Thanks for watching.